Jennies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, I'm going to show you guys how to make this really fun embellishment using heart die cuts. I got these heart die cuts at Walmart, I believe. They're just like glittery hearts, and let me see if I can find the original pack. Oh, maybe it was a Dollar Tree. Hold on. No, it was Walmart. So they originally came packed like this. This was actually from Walmart last year, and these are just confettis. They call them confettis, but they're like really just hard die cuts, right? And they're absolutely beautiful. They're super duper duper. I mean, I'm talking about super duper 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 glittery, and they're beautiful. So I'm gonna use them for this project, okay? Now, guys, you know me, okay? And I always say in my videos, quick, easy, and simple. That is it, okay? There's no more in between. Quick, simple, and easy. That's it. Solamente eso. We don't need nothing else. We don't need stress in our life, okay? We don't need stress in our life. When you craft, you don't craft with stress. You craft for fun, okay? So, let's do this. I have my hearts here, and I have, what I'm gonna use is a very sparkly red heart and a very sparkly pink heart. I'm gonna do something a little bit different though. With this one, I kind of backed both of these hearts together. I want to do a little bit something different. I'm going to do it the opposite way, because you see how the contrast between the red, like the two glittery, it looks beautiful, obviously, right? But I'm kind of liking this contrast better. So we're going to do it that way, okay? But again, you can do it whatever way you want, because there's no wrong way of doing this, okay? So just keep that in mind. So we're going to use 2 big red hearts and 1 small heart, okay? That's it, baby. Let's do the front of this beautiful embellishment. So I'm going to use the back side of this, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to glue down the pink heart right in the center. You're going to die when you find out what stickers I'm using for this. They're so freaking cute. Okay. And you're going to get something like that. Very simple. Very simple. The stickers that I'm using for this project are these adorable chunky pigs. I love them. Look at these little pigs, how cute they are. These little piggies are adorable. You get the big piggy here. You get the little piggy. You get the tiny piggy. These are cute. I got these at Michael, and you can actually get these right now. They're like they're not like seasonal stickers. You can get them anytime you want, right? So they're super cute. The reason why I thought these would be perfect for this project is because it's pink and it's super cute, and I just love it, okay? So we're going to use one of these adorable little piggies to add to our project, okay? So let's do that. Let me see, can I bring you more closer to me? Okay. So pick up whichever, piggy you want to work with, okay? Let's see, which one do I want to work with? I like this one right here. This one is facing that way. I'm going to use this one and face it this way, okay? Let's do the opposite. To the little piggy. So cute. Look at him. Can you see him? How cute he is. Oh my god, he's adorable. Okay, we're going to add dimensions to the piggy on the back. Why? Because we want to lift the piggy up. We want to give him some dimension. So let's add a little piece of double-sided dimension on the piggy on the back. And then we're going to add the piggy to this corner right here. Okay? I'm doing the opposite of this one. Right there. Okay? See that? All right. Beautiful. So what we're going to do is, this little piggy looks like he is like in heaven. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me describe this to you. Just picture this, okay? Just give me 2 seconds to picture this. He looks like he's in heaven, just closing his eyes, admiring the scent of a beautiful flower, or just enjoying life itself, right? Look how cute he is. I know, right? Cute, right? All right. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add some little hearts that are coming out in this area right here, okay? Little cute little hearts. Where are my hearts at? Where my hearts at? Where my hearts at? Okay, so I have these hearts right here from Walmart. I love these hearts. I need to get more. I'm obsessed with these hearts. So I'm going to add, actually, hold on. Down here. I'm going to add 1 heart there. See that? We're going to add another heart coming this way. And we're going to add another heart right here. Okay. So at the end of the day, you have 3 beautiful little hearts, as you can see there. Okay. Beautiful. We're done with that. So on this little area over here, we're going to do the Happy Valentine's Day. I talked to you guys about this already on my last video. I am obsessed using this paper. And what I do is simply just cut out the strips of Happy Valentine's Day. And I save it for another project because these are awesome to use to add to any, project. So I'm going to cut the Happy and the Valentine's Day in half. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some dimensions to these 2 little pieces. And you're going to have to cut your dimension because obviously the Happy Valentine's little sign is too tiny. So you need 2 dimensions. Okay, so this is for the one sign. And then this is for the other sign. Okay, boom. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the Happy Valentine right here in this area. Okay? And that's going to give the embellishment a really fun look to it. I love that. So let's peel this off and let's glue it down. Okay, and there you have it. That's so cute. See that? Real cute, right? I love that. Okay, gorgeous. So what we're going to do next is we're going to add another little, like a little heart on the side, like I did here. And maybe like a bow in the middle. And then the little sign that says oink on it. Oink, oink. Okay, so let's see here. Now, I like this pink color. And this is not something that I did in here. Oh, wait. I have one right here. Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's first, let's glue down the little bow. Okay. And we're going to actually add the bow right in this corner right here. Okay. Let's do that first. Let's trim out the ribbon. Okay, there you have it. To the middle of the bow, I'm going to add a heart. Okay, that comes with the little piggy set. Okay. See how these have little hearts? I don't know if you guys can see that, but you got little hearts. And then you also have the sign that says oink on it. So I'm going to add a heart right in the middle of the bow. And I'm going to add a little tiny sign that says oink right above the heart. Really tiny. I don't know if you guys can see there, but I'm gonna try my best to focus. Oh my gosh. You see that little sign that says oink on it? Very, very tiny right there. I just thought it was super cute to add to the embellishment, so I'm going to do that. So I have one right here, and it's absolutely tiny. You're not gonna be able to see this probably, but I'm gonna try to show you anyway. See there? Oink. Very tiny. So I'm gonna add this right over this area right here. Okay. All right. I'm gonna add another heart here because this looks kind of plain to me, and I think I could probably add another heart or two in this area. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll add smaller hearts. Okay. I'm gonna add one here, and I'm going to add one here because it kind of looks really plain on this area right here. All right, beautiful. That looks much better. See that? Okay, the last thing we're gonna do to the little piggy, we're going to add a little bow right in the center of the neck, and we're going to add a little tiny button right over it. Okay, so I have my bow here that I already made out of my silver thread, and we're going to add this right over the piggy's neck. Very tiny piece of, very tiny glue, and we're going to add this right in the bow, like a little bow tie or like a little necklace or something. I don't know. It just looks cute to me there for some reason. So I'm going to cut this off a little bit because this is too long. We don't need this super duper long like this. Okay. And we're going to add a nice little tiny red button right over the little bow. Okay. And there you have it. See that? You're going to get something like this, guys. You see that? How cute? The little bow tie, the little button, the little Valentine's Day sign, the little hearts, the little bow, and then the little heart over here, and then the little tiny sign that says oink right there. Super cute. And we're done. The only last thing we're going to do is we're going to back this onto another red heart. But again, this is the one that I said to you guys, and I'm gonna do a little bit different. So I'm going to back it onto the very glittery part facing me. Okay, so I have to add some dimensions on the back of this heart. And we're basically done with this embellishment. I love this embellishment. It turned out so cute. And those little piggies are adorable. Okay, let's add some hot glue. And how are you going to place this is very simple. You're just going to put this right over the heart. And you're just going to kind of layer it down a little bit so it can peek out from the back. Okay, that's all you're going to do. See that how it peeks out from the back? It kind of looks like it's like double layer. And that is the idea that I kind of wanted to do. I also wanted to do like a bow, like an arrow, bow arrow coming on this end and going out of this end. But I didn't get to do that. But you could do that if you want. That's a really good idea. To add like a little bow, like a bow arrow. I don't know if you know what I mean by that. I may have been pronouncing that incorrectly. But it looks like that, see? One of those little like arrows. That would be cute to put in between the hearts. But at the end of the day, that is what you're going to get. Oh my God, I'm in love with these embellishments. I'm in love with these little piggies. They're so cute. Okay, my loves, I hope you enjoy watching me make these really fun, adorable embellishments. Make sure Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you make them, please tag me on Instagram so I can see your beautiful work. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your likes, and I will see you on my next tutorial. I love you all, and please be safe. Bye.